I'm inspired by the things that I see around me. A carefully crafted cup of coffee, or the architecture that I see in our city.
I love getting out in nature and seeing the trees in a living state.
At the Monogram, we can utilize the skills of our craftsmen to orchestrate something truly elevated.
About 6 years ago, I started Anvil Goods. There's 4 or 5 generations of craftsmen in my family. I've been building things as long as I can remember.
The Monogram pizza oven is the first electric indoor pizza oven that doesn't require ventilation. It embodies the philosophy of purposeful design.
I love to build pieces that will last a lifetime and hold up to, life.
We visited the best pizza restaurants in the U.S. When they craft the pizza, it's truly something that they have passion about. We have that same passion.
Most pizza peels are very ordinary. I saw it as an opportunity to come up with something that is the pinnacle of what a pizza peel could be.
We have a team of 4 craftsmen. They'll build 8 ovens at a time, and all of the finishing is done by hand.
I wanted to use the most premium materials to match the beauty of the Monogram pizza oven.
We've designed the pizza oven with the intention of it not being intimidating. There's a lot of technology that allows us to do that. So we're able to control the temperature in 4 different zones of the oven that will give you perfect pizza every time you cook.
I didn't want it to be just purely a piece of functional equipment. I saw it as an opportunity to bring something beautiful to someone's kitchen.
We created a pizza oven so refined.
We had to create a pizza peel to match.